Good morning. As you can tell, it's been windy, like really windy since last night. Since I got here, kind of. It wasn't incredibly windy when I got here, but then after nightfall, it started rocking the van, and it's still doing that right now. It's supposed to be cloudy all day with no rain, so I don't know. I guess there's a storm blowing through today. I'm probably just gonna go into town and hang out at the library all day and then kind of map out where I want to be for the next week. I've got some cool places in mind. I got like 4 avocados at the store last week, and I literally I threw out 2 of them because I opened them up because they felt squishy on the outside, but they were not ready to be eaten. They were like rubber on the inside, so I had to throw them away because they don't ripen after you cut them up. I got eggs at the store yesterday. That was it, because it just wasn't my normal store, so everything was a lot more expensive than normal, and I need to go get baby wipes anyways, and I will get those at a Walmart. Here is breakfast is gonna probably just be eggs, cabbage, and avocado this morning. This wind is not chilled out, but I need to get on with the day, head to the library, get some more editing done. Here's that reservoir that I'm parked up by. I just saw somebody drive by, so I'm gonna try and skedaddle right now. Look at the crazy dust. That's all from the wind. I am on my way out to Meadows Hot Springs, and I have to go on a dirt overpass on the freeway. I'm out here at the hot springs. It's a little bit of a walk, and there's some people coming out right now. And yeah, I'm gonna go check it out. I guess I could have drove, but this is a crazy road, so might as well not put Sherry through it. There's the hot spring. I don't want to film the people in it, but it was a nice soak. It's kind of windy right now though, so I'm cold. I'm gonna get back to the van, but it looks like there's some cows by the van. Hi, go cows. Hi, cows. So I am warming up because it was a long walk back to the van, but I need to get my wet bathing suit off. It was a good soak though. I really enjoyed it, and I got to listen to a bunch of people, and they were all very nice. It was an older crowd, and I was wondering since I came in the afternoon if it would be like party people that are playing music and stuff, because sometimes that happens. But it was just a really relaxing group of people to be around, so that was nice. I pruned up hardcore, look at that, and oh my gosh, I was like falling asleep, and then I got out and now I'm like shaking and stuff from the cold. Okay, well, I'm gonna go find camp. Apparently I can camp near here. There's some like lava tubes that I can go check out, so I'm gonna check that out, and then yeah, I'll be back at you when I'm making dinner, or I find camp, or you know, one of those things. All right, let's find camp, shall we? Oh, there's a little bit of white sand, kind of randomly. Just a pocket of it. Nice. Some sand dunes up there. I'm still driving out to BLM land, and it looks like that hill off in the horizon, that might be where Thornton lava tubes are. But I don't want to camp over here because it's too sandy, and I just saw a target shooting area. So this looks very interesting. I'm not sure about staying in this spot. I think I'm gonna try lower, but I started going up to the top. I wonder if this is where the lava tube entrance is, but I'm not really trusting that the road will let me turn around once I get up higher. Kind of just looks like I'll top out somewhere. So we're gonna turn around here. I made chili for dinner, and now I'm just sitting down getting all of my plans ready for the next week where I want to hang out and kind of do a trajectory, because there's some national parks that I wanted to hit up, and then hopefully end up meeting some people in some places. So doing that right now, and the sunset is gorgeous. I'll give you a little peek of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next vlog. If you'd like to check the description below for any more information, you can follow me on Instagram or go support me on Patreon. You guys are awesome. Have a great day and stay curious.